Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. This is the look that we're going for today. It's giving very much green apples. And if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So we are going to start off with our ombre nails, and I'm just getting my color palette together. I'm using this creamy white color, fluorescent yellow, and bright green. Something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. So this time I did not prep my nails off camera, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buff off the shine on the top of the nail. So let's get started on this ombre nail. So I am going to start off with the milky white color, and I'm just going to place a thin layer at the very bottom. While it's still wet, I'm going to go ahead and place my fluorescent yellow and then my bright green. And when you're applying the colors, you want to make sure that you're using a very light hand, because that's going to give you the ombre effect. And I did 3 layers just to kind of build the color of the same thing. So I'll go ahead and let y'all watch. Alright, so this is what my ombre nails are looking like. And just so y'all know, I did go ahead and do 30-second cure between each layer of ombre. So I'm working on my thumb and my marble nail. Y'all know I'm obsessed with marble. It didn't come out right on my left thumb, as y'all can see, and it didn't come right out. It didn't come out right on this thumb either, because I did not put down a base color. Like, girl, what is you thinking? Especially in this very small area. So it was kind of a fail, but I was not about to do this all over again, girl. It already took too much time. I ain't had time. So I'm just going ahead and placing my dots of color on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix them, and then I'll be back. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, 'cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to the gas, 'cause we don't know how. So after that's been cured for 30 seconds, I'm going to go in with this foil. I don't even remember where I got this from. I'm pretty sure it was Amazon. And I'm just going to use that to outline my marble fail portion of the nail.
keep that pump. That natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. You ask me, told you where you at, huh? And I don't wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, and then some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that numb. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with the cellulite. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini.
After doing my top coat on my thumb, this is what the set is looking like so far. Next week, this is my drink for today. Get into it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my Crystal Pixie nail, and I'm just putting down one layer of white as a base, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds since I'm only doing one coat.
Big dog trying to eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I can tell we.
Next, I'm going to go in with my EC Basket nail glue gel, and I'm just going to place that all over the nail. Next, I'm going to take my Crystal Pixies and sprinkle it all over the nail until I am satisfied. And I actually cured it for 2 minutes just to be sure that all of the Crystal Pixies stick.
Did you know? Nah, you got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
I keep it juicy, I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, yeah. She keep that pump. That natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front.
And boom, this is what the set is looking like so far. Next, I am going in with my e-file to shave off the shine on the inside of the nail. That way I can go ahead and start encapsulating. So to encapsulate the nail, I'm going to place down my nail glue gel from EC Basket again. And then I'm going to go ahead and place all of my decorations on the inside. I am going to cap it off with some IBD gel, cure it for a minute or two, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look.
She keep that pump, that natural beauty, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah. Back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back.
making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things.
And here we are. This is the finished look. I'm not feeling it, especially my rhinestone placement on my pinky. Like, girl, what is you doing? What was you thinking? I think I started rushing once it got to a certain point because I was drinking, I was entertaining, so I was just trying to hurry up and get it finished. But let's just jump right into the try on. And there we go. That thumb, I could have did way better than this. But content is content. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me some comments down in the comment section. And I will see y'all in the next video.